Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to find Coinbase wallet address, full guide. Open your Coinbase wallet app or website, unlock access, navigate to the wallet list, choose the wallet you want, and tap Receive or Address to display your public address and QR code for deposits. Copy or share the address carefully, double-checking the first and last characters before sending or saving it. In this video, I will explain how to find Coinbase wallet address, full guide. Open the Coinbase wallet browser extension, unlock it, select the account you want to use, then click Receive or Show Address to reveal the public address and QR code. Use the Copy button to copy the address to clipboard, paste it in a safe note, and confirm the first and last characters before sharing for any incoming transfer. In this video, I will review how to find Coinbase wallet address, full guide. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: check out the book The Simple Path to Wealth for a fresh take on money. It pairs oddly well with crypto learning. Look in the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to find Coinbase wallet address, full guide. Launch the Coinbase Wallet mobile app, unlock it, navigate to Wallets, pick the account you want, then tap Receive or Show Address to display the public address and QR code. Use the Share or Copy button to send the address, save it to a secure note, and always confirm the address characters before accepting deposits or sharing on other devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.